Publishing a book in 2026 is easier than it's ever been, and yet somehow more complicated than ever. Between Amazon, AI tools, audiobooks, global distribution, and 1,000 different options available online, it's hard to know what actually matters anymore. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete modern process of publishing a book in 2026. What's changed, what hasn't, and what you should realistically expect if you're planning to self-publish. My name's Alyssa, and I'm a content creator here at Tellwell Publishing. At Tellwell, we've helped authors publish over 6,000 books. With professional editing, design, marketing, and global distribution, we guide writers through the publishing process and help bring their stories to life. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more indie author tips. Let's get into it. First, let's take a step back. In today's publishing landscape, there are three main paths to publishing: traditional publishing, assisted self-publishing, and DIY self-publishing. Traditional publishing, of course, is still around, but it's highly competitive, slow, and offers authors limited control. Assisted self-publishing gives authors professional support like editing, design, marketing, and distribution, while the author retains creative control and ownership. And of course, the do-it-yourself self-publishing method, which allows for authors to retain flexibility, global reach, and do it at their own speed. The key thing to remember in 2026 is that self-publishing or assisted self-publishing doesn't mean cutting corners or having a mediocre manuscript. It simply means taking ownership of the process. Step one, of course, is writing, refining, and completing your manuscript. Everything starts with the manuscript. Before even thinking about covers, publishing platforms, or even marketing, your job is to finish a solid draft of your manuscript. In 2026, AI tools are everywhere. And sure, they can be incredibly helpful for things like outlining, brainstorming, fleshing out ideas, and even providing feedback. But they don't replace strong thinking or storytelling. Your focus should be on writing for a specific audience, structuring your content clearly, and making sure that your book actually delivers on its promise. A great self-published book starts with intentional writing, not rushing to upload. The next step to publishing in 2026 is professional editing, and this step is a non-negotiable. If there's one thing that separates amateur self-published books from polished and professional self-published books, it's editing. Now, of course, there are different types of editing available. There's substantive editing, copy editing, and proofreading. Substantive editing provides feedback on things like structural and stylistic elements. Copy editing provides feedback on correctness, accuracy, and consistency. And proofreading takes place after design and is a final edit for objective errors. In 2026, readers expect the same quality from a self-published book as they would from a traditionally published book. And online reviews are unforgiving. Editing is often one of the biggest investments authors make, but it's also the one that protects your reputation and your book's long-term success. This is typically also the step where authors start to question, do I really want to manage all of this by myself? This is where assisted self-publishing comes in, and where Tellwell fits into the picture. Instead of trying to hire and coordinate freelancers or figure out the technical side on your own, assisted self-publishing gives you an experienced team to guide the process and avoid costly mistakes. For many authors in 2026, publishing is all about combining independence and creative control with professional standards. The next step in the process is design. Your cover isn't just artwork, it's your book's first marketing tool. In 2026, genre expectations are very specific. Professional covers signal trust, and interior formatting matters for both ebooks and print. Your book needs to be formatted properly for ebook, paperback, hardcover, and audiobook. A well-designed book instantly tell readers this is worth your time. The next step is publishing and distribution. Once your book is ready, it's time to publish. Most DIY self-published authors use Amazon KDP. An assisted self-publishing company can step in and offer even further global reach through using platforms like Ingram Spark. This is also where your ISBN comes into play. Owning your ISBN gives you long-term control and flexibility as an author. In 2026, global distribution is no longer optional. Readers expect to find books in multiple formats and countries with ease. Step 5 is pricing, launch, and marketing realities. This is where expectations need to be realistic. A book launch doesn't mean immediate success. It means visibility. Pricing should be competitive within your genre and strategic for your goals. In 2026, marketing is about consistency, not hype. We're focused on building an audience, collecting reviews, and showing up for our readers. The most successful authors are thinking long-term. A book isn't a one-day product. It's an asset that grows over time. So what comes after publishing? Publishing your book isn't the finish line. It's just the beginning. After launch, you can update your book, add new formats, promote it through courses, speaking, or content, and build a catalog of future titles. In 2026, many authors are using books to build credibility, authority, and opportunities beyond book sales alone. Whether you choose the DIY self-published route or an assisted self-publishing partner like Tellwell, the goal is the same: to publish a book you're proud to put your name on. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications, and check out our free guide to self-publishing in the description below. And if you haven't already, check out our other video on using AI for self-publishing in 2026. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.